Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Vileda Super Brush with telescopic handle rack. In this case, it is a red design. It's available in blue, for example, too. 4.5 to 34.5 centimeters for smooth floors, parquet and laminate, specially designed. You can use it as a bar, removes fine dust, crumbs and hairs. It does not raise dust. 100% dust-free, ideal for allergy sufferers. With adjustable telescopic handle extends 75 until 130 centimeters. Foam material, it is available separately, so you can change if your is broken. The #1 branded broom in Germany. Particle floor brush head in with foam. Ideal for smooth floors, parquet and laminate flooring. The microfoam fits tightly against the ground and bar removes fine dust, crumbs and hairs. Yeah, 100% dust free at home. This is awesome. And therefore, ideal for allergy sufferer. What is it with? It has the ECRRF seal. The telescopic handle can be adjusted from 75 to 130 centimeters, and this is long. And that can be easily adjusted to fit your body size. The microfoam is available as a direct replacement and easily changed. Compositions handle 100% coated steel brush body and 100% ABS bristles, 100% polyurethane. That is awesome, and it's easy to use, as you can see. I'm making clean out with this nice thing every day, and it is good to brush all your floors easily and in a good condition. And it has a nice hand feeling. It is easy to adjust, easy to use, and it's a little bit expensive, but it's quality, really nice. I used a Vileda Super Brush like this for 10 years. Now, this 10 years old brush was damaged, so I got a new one, as you can see. And at the brush before, I replaced the foam material after, I think it was 4 years. After 4 years everyday using, I had to replace the foam material, and after this the telescope brush works another 6 years. I like it really much, so I performed this video for you. So nice to use, easy to get your floor clean. It's not a wet brush cleaning system. It is dust free, and it will make an ideal surface on your bottom for you. And it is fast to clean. There. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel, please. Soon.